All right, Todd's back as we wrap up this work week and head into another.
It was actually a really nice week, to be honest.
It was good. It was more good than bad.
It was
for sure.
It's way better than how you're presenting it.
No, it was more good than bad. I mean, it wasn't. I mean,
what was bad about
Monday,
it?
Tuesday, Wednesday were great.
Yeah.
And half of yesterday.
I mean,
good.
we had like a 10-minute shower.
It was good. I know it was out my house. No, but it's good.
10 minutes, it can't
because
rain
this
at your
is
house?
the time of year when it rains. You look at your driveway and your driveway's yellow.
Yeah, at the end
And
of
you
it.
go, oh,
I know.
there you go.
I
There's
have a hill
little
for my
pools of
driveway,
yellow.
and at the bottom of it, there's just like a pool of.
Little
It's a
yellow
little
pool.
puddle of yellow.
Yeah, it's good stuff.
It's kind of gross, actually. Like if I had little kids like you do, like they would want to go in it, you know?
Well, yeah.
Those are the days, and Lee's still living them. Right, those are the days.
Those were and continue to be the days.
And always will be the days.
Oh, wait till the next baby.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, okay.
I'm sure
don't
immaculate conception.
Stop. Don't even
it has happened before. If it can happen again, it will happen to you.
Not even that is true. That's true.
Yeah, it will. You'll see, folks. It's going to happen.
Oh, God.
I guarantee it.
Do not say that.
We've got a lot of fog. I mean, it's not, just look out your window. You can tell that we're sitting in a cloud right now. Dense fog advisories until 9 a.m. And then the fog will start lifting. It'll thin out. We'll get some sun because there's really not much happening in the Northeast right now. But over the weekend, this low and its associated fronts are going to spin in and spin over us and hang around into next week too. So that means an unsettled stretch of weather. At times it's going to rain. This morning, very thick fog, damp and misty. It's also really muggy. The air mass that's with us right now, it won't be with us that long, but it is a rather humid one, kind of summer-like, especially once we get sun and warmer temperatures. You're going to be like, oof, this is more like early July in a way, and you're going to be wanting some air conditioning this afternoon. But the fog won't burn back until looks like 9, 10, 11 o'clock in the morning. I don't think it's going to be completely gone everywhere. You know, it's going to be tough to burn off. I can't promise you're getting sun on some of the islands in Casco Bay or Harpswell, the peninsulas, Bailey Island, Popham Beach, you know, heading up the mid-coast. Some of these towns will have some problems, certainly in Penobscot Bay and probably down East Maine too. But everywhere else it's sunny. And we'll have several hours of it, and we're going to get quite warm and sticky. Because of that, the warmth, the stickiness, and the terrain, which adds a little lift, there will likely be some pop-up downpours or rumbles of thunders. So you might get caught in, you know, there's some torrential rain for a brief time later this afternoon and evening. At the coastline, it's unlikely that we see a shower, but it's more likely that the fog moves back in and then works inland through the night, and we're sitting in it by tomorrow morning, and it's probably not going to burn off at all tomorrow. So high temperatures, upper 60s for Casco Bay, including Portland, upper 60s in Wiscasset, but cooler for Rockland and Bar Harbor, where you're going to have a tougher time seeing sun. Look what happens in the sunshine, though. 75 to 80 degrees with that higher humidity. This will be pretty warm out there this afternoon over the interior. Tomorrow, this front gets closer and closer. Our rain chances rise and rise. On Sunday, it's by us, but then we have the upper level storm and its associated energy, and that'll pop up some showers and storms in the afternoon, nothing severe. And then the low parks itself in the Gulf of Maine for a few days next week and kind of spins itself out. It's going to keep it cool, lacking sunshine, temperatures only in the 50s, maybe a few showers or sprinkles around too. So when does it rain this weekend? A little bit tomorrow morning, a break midday, and then numerous showers around tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. A couple linger into Sunday morning. We might get some sunny breaks for a brief time on Sunday, but then they fill back in with some more scattered showers and potential rumbles in the afternoon on Sunday. Marine forecast sees 2 to 3 feet, light south wind. The problem out there isn't the waves or the wind, it's the visibility. There'll be some thick fog out there most of the day. The fog burns off for the rest of the state to sunshine. It will be in the mid-70s inland this afternoon and upper 60s coast. Tomorrow it's foggy in the morning. In the afternoon we have showers and some downpours, and it's cooler too in the 50s. Low 60s on Sunday. Hopeful for a few breaks of sunshine midday, but keep the umbrella close by. You'll likely need it in the afternoon with some pop-ups. Cloudy and cool on Monday, chance for a shower. Tuesday, Wednesday, struggling in the sunshine department, maybe a couple of breaks, and then another round of rain on Thursday. And I'd love to say that it looks like we're going to turn a corner after that, but we may not. We may not. Fingers crossed, it's a long way off.
right.
We'll worry about things later on.
All right, well, if we keep going straight, grab the wheel and move us, please.